I got confirmation of a number of things. What we're doing is good but can be improved, and all the steps that help us to become successful Amazon sellers.
Gotcha. And were you able to get any product ideas this weekend?
Always product ideas. It's never ending.
Yes.
Yeah.
Would you recommend this training for anyone else that wants to be successful in the Amazon business?
I would recommend this training to anybody. Anybody, young, middle-aged, old. It doesn't really matter. There's something there for everybody. And I cannot believe the support that we have from Alex and his team of people. They're just next to none. And having been in management for most of my career, I can honestly highly recommend that if you want a successful business in Amazon, join Alex and his team. You won't be sorry.